And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 58. Let me show you how I can add an image to text. And it uses the clipping mask method that I've shown in the last tutorial. We use the type tool right here. T is the short key, and you can create horizontal, vertical type. You want to stick to horizontal in this example. Let me left click on the canvas. You should get a lorem ipsum placeholder and then type in what you need. I'll go with New York. You can adjust the font right here at the top, but there's also a properties menu when you've got the text there active. If you don't see the properties, go to Window and click on Properties right here. In the Properties menu, we can adjust the font again, and if you hover over this changes the font directly, so you can see what this is going to look like. And there's also a drop down for the style. Depending on the font, there might be more or less styles available. I'll go with Ultra Black, Archimedes Variable Concept. Right here you can adjust the size for the text. You can also left click drag on the icon to adjust it, or type in a number and even use the arrow keys in it. And then position it to the center. And now I import my image. I just drag and drop it here. Let me rename that, but first for the text I want to go to 0 here. This is for the letter spacing. And now I can increase the size a little bit more. Let's go to 52. I'll make the image visible again. I'll just double click on the layer to be able to rename it to image. Then I press Ctrl T to resize it. If you want to position it, go down with the opacity and then use the move tool and move it around, and you can see the text below, so this helps you in positioning it. Once you've got a position that you like, increase the opacity again. Then right click on the image layer and create a clipping mask. And this will clip it to the layer below, which is our text. And let me make the background black here so that we can see it better. And there you go. If you don't like it, so the positioning, you can right click and release the clip again. But if you now go down with the opacity, we don't see the text anymore because the background has the same color as our text. Therefore, we can either recolor our text or we can simply make our background invisible. So layer 0, the black background. Then go down with the opacity for the image. Reposition that yet again with the move tool. Increase the opacity, bring back the background layer, then right click on your image, create a clipping mask. And this is how you can add an image to text in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.